Hello, my name is Carlos Mario Osorio. I am studying 2 semesters of Business Administration. I am 33 years old. I am a work in company appliances. I am married. His name is Jessica Peña. I have 2 children, Juan Jose and Salome. He is 8 years old and she is 7 months. Common activity. San Andres. It is a paradise I had the opportunity to attend with my family. It's called Seven Colors. The distance from Medellin to San Andres in a straight line is 975 kilometers, and flight duration 1 hour 12 minutes. In San Andres, you can perform immense activities such as DV reading. The rates are doubly diving, while the equipment is an 104,000. And jet ski, the rent is an 130,000 for 30 minutes. You can visit cities like Axe, the Blower Hollow. It is a site in the extreme south of San Andres, where a natural performance occurs that resembles a source, and Musing Morgan. It is said that it is place where the pirate Morgan used to keep his trousers. It is interesting to go now. It costs 50,000 per person. An aquarium is located 30 minutes from San Andres by boat. There you can enjoy a variety of marine species. I recommend to use sunblocker, mosquito repellent, and good glasses to appreciate their beautiful landscapes and women. There are many hotel booths. I recommend the island de Cameron. It's very large, good room nights, swimming pools, and best of all your food.